What's up everyone, my name is Ninad and I'm a legal intern at LEXIS and Company, and I'm also a student of the Maharashtra National Law University, Mumbai. In today's video, we're going to be learning a bit about the capital punishment and its status in India. So let's get started. The capital punishment, otherwise commonly known as the death penalty, is the execution of an offender sentenced to death after conviction by a court of law for a criminal offense. That is the highest penalty that is awardable to an accused in any criminal offense case. Now, pertaining to the same, a lot of India's citizens seem to think that the capital punishment, that is the death penalty, is very appropriate for any or all sorts of the offenses that are classified roughly as heinous offenses. Now, a few examples of these offenses can be the offenses of rape, of terrorism, and of murder, but such a situation is seldom the case. As you all must know and understand, taking a person's life is no joke, irrespective of whoever the person may be. Having such power in hand requires a very judicious and very cautious approach of the use of the same. To put in a bit of context, between the year 2000 and 2020, India has carried out a total of 8 executions. Now, the number only pertains to the amount of executions that have been carried out and not the amount of people whose lives have been taken during these executions. Further, between January 1, 2000 and 31st June 2015, the Supreme Court has imposed a total of 60 death sentences. It subsequently also admitted that it had erred in 15 of those 60, which accounts to around 25% of total convictions that have been imposed by the Supreme Court during this period. Now, looking at such a scenario, it is definitely bound to make one question the credibility of the system and the mechanism that operates within. Primarily, it has always been difficult to understand, at least for me, how killing a person for harming or killing another person is considered to be a deterring display of how harming or killing is wrongful in general. Such a deterrence is clearly seen to have negligible or insignificant impact with the ever increasing number of rape cases and also terrorism cases in the country, even when the offenses are punishable by death themselves. Also, looking into the matter from a more socioeconomic perspective, we continually see in our everyday lives how people with money keep getting away with offenses of all sorts, be it petty offenses or the offenses that the public cries over as heinous crimes, while those without the support of the big bucks keep getting dragged into the cycle of so called justice, and if at all they manage to avoid conviction and its consequences, they end up so devastated that they are left with absolutely no hope or any sort of methods for resumption to normal life. Hence, you can see how problematic capital punishment actually is. In theory, that is on paper, it seems really idealistic and really important, and one can imagine in their own mind how it serves as a deterring factor, but we see in our everyday lives how this is not actually the case. Hence, it is about time that we settle our position according to what is actually right and not what just serves to please the public in general. That is all for the video. If you learned something from it, do definitely like, share, and subscribe. Do comment down below any questions that you might have regarding the video or any suggestions for the same. That's all. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good one.